everyone, welcome to Moesha K Cooks. You know, it's all about home food and big vibes. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much. I've been getting a lot of DM, a lot of message like Moesha niaje, you need to start a program like whereby we need to know how you cook that amazing, delicious food for your kids. And we are here, So I'm super excited. Make sure you tell a friend to subscribe, like, share, and it's gonna be an amazing season. So this is the first episode. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't want to get emotional because this is just amazing. The love that you guys give me on TikTok, on my YouTube channel, like the food, you want to know the recipe. Let me tell you the truth, I always have my Moesha's K recipe and ingredients, So I normally cook the normal food, but in Moesha's way. So I'm gonna teach you how we're gonna cook a simple food. We're gonna go kila mahali, every tribe, every region, every country, all the food that you want to know, Moesha is going to cook them in her own style. So guess what? This first episode, as so many people always request, Moesha, unapikaje pilau yako? How do you cook your amazing pilau? So we are going to start by cooking pilau, Moesha's pilau. For me, I like to spice up my cooking. Sometimes I cook like simple, but today the pilau that nakuanga na 3 types of pilau. So today it's pilau type number 1. So I'm going to use some hoho. It has been imeblendiwa, sorry. So this is onions, and this is tomato sauce, but I'm not going to put all of it. And then this is hoho also, but this one I'm going to put it kwa kachumbari. I'll show you how to make my kachumbari. My kids wametengeza, I've showed them how to make it. So here I have some spices, different kind of spices, but normally this kind of pilau I don't put a lot of spices, so kuna zile sitaweka hapa. And then there's salt, and so we don't have to say a lot. Let's get to the kitchen, to the balcony. We don't have a big house for that kitchen. So we're going to the balcony, okay? Woo! Tuko kwa balcony. Hey, tuko kwa balcony. So this is kitchen. Balcony kitchen. The real kitchen. We use what we have. We improvise. We emphasize. We controlize, What the hell? Na harmonize. So, anyway, going serious, guys. Serious. So anyway, nilikuwa nishaweka mafuta, and me normally wait it ipate nini vizuri. So vitunguu. Aya, mwiko iko hapa tu, ndio hiyo. Mkishamaliza huko watu waanze kuoga. Ndio hiyo kitunguu. So tunangojea hii isikuwe brown sana, and yani ifanye nini, iturn to ive. So ngoje tuipatie some few minutes ive, and then tunakama. Okay, you can see. Then after that, I put some chicken. There's chicken. See? So, hapo eka nini? Kitunguu saumu. Don't put that much. Then this is tangawizi. It's a blended tangawizi. Then you stir. Ile sinia kubwa ya kufunika. Stir. Chumvi. Salt. Shika. Julia anaisha. So shafanya hivi, before you do anything else, unaiacha kwanza, so the spices, kitunguu saumu, tangawizi, and also you know hizo zote ziingie kwa kuku vizuri before you put anything else. So tunafunika. Iko wapi sinia? Tunaiacha ifanye nini? Put some minji, hoho, I don't even call it, by the way, I don't even call it pilau for me. I call it Moesha special rice or special rice. So yeah, there's hoho. Tipeo nyanya. It's coming. Ombe kupate geleni moja ya maji. Shika. And then hiyo dania kama umekata. So now we want to put water. While tuna acha hii chemke, I've already put some nini, whatever yenye natumia kachumbari yenye nivemu tengeza. I don't put nyanya. Let me show you. Shika. And then after that, put some oil. So you see, tunachukua kidogo, shika. That's it. Then tunafunika. Nipeo kachumbari. Kachumbari. Na hiyo hoho. So this is kachumbari today. So this is cabbage, and there's onion, there's coriander. I've already put vinegar, and then we put some hoho. Salt, give me salt. Right. Then, so kijiko hapo hakuna. So because my kids are taking bath, so tutai mix vizuri baadaye na kijiko. Sorry. So we'll mix it very well baadaye. Iweke hapo ufunike. So we wait ichemke, and then we put the rice, and yeah, and also I put zabibu, and then yeah, so we wait. We put some rice. Alafu ambia watu wa jikoni wanipatie zabibu, iko hapo. Shika wewe na hizi pia. Hiyo kichungi wameleta. Kichungi. So, tutapunguza maji. How to check pale maji imefika, ndio usikucheze. Isikucheze jamani. So, hapo iko sawa. Sawa. Shika mpatie watu huko jikoni. Then tunafunika. Hizi ni zabibu. So hizi ni zabibu zinaweka. Okay. Shika hii. Kwanza wanaume wakuje tufunike hii. Sasa hii ni kuifanya nini? Kufunika na moto juu. Then sasa inakuwa inaiva. Hapo karatasi na maji. Toeni hizi. Peana hizo. Hiyo nini? Tuona huko. So guess what? The food is ready. So let's unveil. Unveil. So unveil. So let's go. Ta-da! The aromas. The aromas. Take it two out of the. Yeah. So Rama. Yeah. See? Sorry. Moya. Pika special rice, special chicken rice, special Moesha's chicken rice. So we'll call someone to taste. Yeah, pesa ni moja. Atuambie anakuja na honest opinion. So we'll call someone to taste. I'll call two people who have different tastes. So you call Rama and Jimmy. Let's see. Moya. So you tunasema moya. So call them the taste. Ni kukula jo. Aya kuja na kijiko na Rama.
Jeni muonje yote.
Jimmy kuja huko. Come huko this side. Come on this side. Aye. So you taste, you tell me what.
Aroma iko top.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Na kama vitu.
Delicious. Poa. Aye. So I'll call the smaller. Where's Alma and guy? Alma and Halima. Be careful, it's hot. It's hot. How is it? It's sweet. I finished that one. Put it all in the mouth. So as you've seen, so kindly subscribe, kindly like, share, support, in any way that you can, and tell people to come and watch the new Moesha's recipe. And Manze, God bless you so much. And it's about to eat. My kids, they're about to finish all this. And see you on the next episode. And subscribe. Peace, y'all.